So as per valence bond theory known as VBT for coordinate compounds or complex compounds. How the hybridization takes place in various orbitals. First of all, let's find out it which orbitals are taking part in the formation of complex compound. So it is normally n minus 1 d, then ns, where n is n is principal quantum number, and friends np, either the set of these three. In this one, we should consider n is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1, that is 3d orbital, then 4s orbital and 4p orbital can take part in hybridization. This is the first option. Second option is also possible, that is ns, np and nd. In such case, 4s, 4p and 4d, if we take the n is equal to value 4. So these two options we have in hybridization. Hybridization is what? It is the bonding of two or more orbitals to form equal energy leveled and same shaped new orbitals. And this is hybridization. So when hybridization takes place between S, P, D orbitals, different type of hybridization are possible, as well as the different distribution in of orbitals in the space is also possible. That is to be classified by their coordination number. Coordination number is the number of ligands joined with the central atom and make coordinate covalent bond. So first of all, there is a first possibility in which one metal and four ligands are present. That is called ML4 type. One metal, that is central atom, four ligands are present, that is ML4. And friends, the hybridizations possible here are two. First is sp3, in which one 4s orbital and friends 3 4p orbitals. 1 is a number, 4s is a type of orbital. So one 4s orbital take part with 3 4p orbitals, and the total is 1 plus 3, total is 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals will come into existence. And friends, the shape is here tetrahedral shape with 109 degree 28 minutes is the bond angle. So this is very specific for ML4. First option is sp3 hybridization. Second option is, friends, dsp2 hybridization, in which one 3d orbital take part, one 4s orbital and two 4p orbitals. Once again, 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4 dsp2 hybridized orbitals. They are having same shape and equal energy level always. The shape is here square planar. Square planar is the shape, and friends, the bond angle is 90 degree here. After ML4 friends, another option is we have ML5. So one central atom and 5 ligands are there. Here there is only one possibility in which friends sp3d hybridization takes place. So 1 4s orbital plus 3 4p orbitals and d is 1 4d orbital take part in the hybridization. And the structure we obtain is trigonal trigonal bipyramidal. Shape will be obtained. So total 5 orbitals having once again same shape and energy level will be obtained. Last and third type, that is ML6. One central atom with 6 ligands. There are two possibilities. One is hybridization sp3 d2 and d2 sp3 hybridization. These both are equal, but the only d orbital is different here. In first one, 1 4s orbital plus 3 4p orbitals plus d is given afterwards. That's why two 4d orbitals here, whereas here it is two 3d orbitals first, then friends 1 4s orbital plus 3 4p orbitals take part, and in both it is equal, total 6 orbitals. Total 6 orbitals total are formed having same shape and equal energy level. Both have friends 90-degree bond angle and the octahedral in shape. So this is common in both, and that's why they are almost similar, but it depends. D orbital, if 3d orbital is available for bonding, it will be d2sp3, and if 3d orbital is not available, in that case 4d will take part, and we obtain the dsp3 d2 hybridization.